Welcome to the world of Vipassana meditation, a journey of self-discovery and profound insight. Today, we will delve into the steps of this transformative practice, guiding you to a place of deep awareness and understanding. To begin, find a comfortable seated position on a cushion or chair. Close your eyes gently, or maintain a soft gaze focused on a spot in front of you. Let's start by focusing on your breath. Feel the natural rhythm of your inhalation and exhalation. Be fully present with each breath, noticing the sensations as they arise and pass away. Allow the breath to anchor you in the present moment. Now shift your attention to the sensations in your body. Scan from head to toe, noticing any areas of tension, warmth, or coolness. Observe these sensations without judgment, simply acknowledging their presence. As you observe the sensations, begin mentally noting them. For example, if you feel tingling in your foot, silently note tingling or foot. If an itch arises, note itching or itch. This noting practice develops clarity and mindfulness. Expand your awareness to include other aspects of your experience. Notice sounds around you without getting caught up in them. If thoughts arise, acknowledge them with a gentle mental note of thinking or thought. Allow them to come and go without clinging or pushing them away. Now, observe the impermanence of sensations, thoughts, and emotions. Notice how they arise and pass away, constantly changing. Develop equanimity, a balanced and non-reactive attitude towards these experiences. Allow them to be as they are, without getting entangled in their transient nature. If your mind wanders, gently and without judgment, bring it back to the present moment. Use the breath as an anchor, or return to observing bodily sensations. This practice of returning builds resilience and strengthens your ability to remain present. As you near the end of your practice, slowly bring your attention back to your breath. Take a few deep breaths, grounding yourself in the present moment. Gradually open your eyes if they were closed, and take a moment to reflect on your meditation experience. Notice any insights or observations that may have arisen during the practice. Congratulations! You have completed a Vipassana meditation session. With regular practice, this technique can lead to deep self-awareness, wisdom, and a profound transformation of your relationship with yourself and the world.